and welcome to HP Calcs. I'm Rick, and today we're going to have a quick look at how to find exponents on the Casio fx-300 ES Plus calculator. To do this, we'll be using the x squared key. It looks like this, and is located here. The x cubed key, that looks like this, and is located here. The x to the unknown exponent key looks like this, and is located here, as well as the fraction key, looks like this, located here, and the negative key that looks like this and is located here. All right, so to get started with a simple square, let's say we wanted to find 2 to the power of 2, or 2 squared. We would place 2 on the screen and then hit the x squared key located here. You can see on the screen we have 2 to the power of 2, and then we press equals and get the answer of 4. If we wanted to cube a number in much the same way, again, we place 2 on the screen. If we want to do 2 cubed, and then press the x cubed key, there we see 2 to the power of 3 equals, and we get 8. But what if we want to find an exponent that isn't a 2 or a 3? Well, that's when this x to the exponent key comes in. So if we wanted to get 2 to the power of 4, again, we place 2 on the screen, and then press this exponent key here, and we see a box appear in the exponent position on our 2. And for this, our exponent is 4, so we press 4 and equals, and we get 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. We can also do negative exponents in this way. So if we wanted to do 2 to the power of negative 2, we press 2, our exponent key, negative, and then 2. There we can see we now have negative 2 in the exponent position. And we press equals, and we get a result of 1 over 4, or 1/4. Now this calculator likes to give us fractions as an answer, but what we can do is change those to decimals with this SD key here. So we press that once, and our 1 over 4 has become 0.25. We can also do exponents as fractions with this key. If we wanted to do, say, 4 to the power of 1/2, we would place 4 on the screen, hit our exponent key again, and then hit our fraction key that looks like this. There we have 2 boxes now in the exponent position. So our first box will be 1, and then we use the arrow key to go down by 1. Our cursor is now in the lower box, and we press 2 and equals. And there we see we have 4 to the power of 1 over 2, which gives us an answer of 2. All right, I hope this helps, and good luck on those tests out there, everybody.